My dogs like to sit on my office sofa, and you could see what it looks like. So I started using this tool a few minutes ago, and I wanted to show you how great it does of gathering hair. I do vacuum my couch and it still looks like this. So if you have a dog that sheds, this on my stairs, even after you vacuum, there always seems to be some leftover hair. So I'm gonna just show you what this looks like. And this couch in particular is very hard to clean. You can see how much hair it is gathering up. And then when it's done, I will use a vacuum or something else to gather it. And this is my sofa in my family room, and I use it all the time on this one too.